Opening a bank account in Germany. Hi everyone, I'm Eva Glenofria, your personal financial advisor in Germany. This is the second part of our YouTube series, Financial Basics for Expats in Germany. And for today's topic, we will discuss one of the first steps in starting your financial journey in Germany, opening a bank account. Moving to Germany is an exciting venture filled with new experience and opportunities. Navigating the German banking system can seem daunting, but with the right information, this can be a smooth process. This video provides a step-by-step approach to setting up your bank account in Germany, ensuring you're well prepared for this crucial aspect of your expat journey. Step 1. Choose the right bank. Your first task is to find a bank that matches your needs. Germany has a range of banks from traditional brick-and-mortar establishment to modern online banks. Consider factors like English-speaking services, online banking capabilities, account fees, and international money transfers option. Some popular choices among expat include Deutsche Bank, Commerzbank, and online options like N26 and Revolut. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. Before heading to the bank or start an online application, ensure you have all the required documents. Valid passport or national ID card is essential for identity verification. Proof of residence or Meldebescheinigung is a registration certificate proves you live in Germany. Proof of employment or university enrollment is necessary for working professionals and students. Schufa credit records. Some bank may require this credit history record. German tax ID or Steueridentifikationsnummer is needed for tax purposes. Step 3. Book an online appointment or apply online. Depending on your chosen bank, you can either visit a branch in person or apply online. Traditional banks often require an appointment, while digital banks allow you to complete the entire process online, which can be more convenient for many expats. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Complete the bank's application form either online or during your branch visit. It's crucial to provide accurate and complete information to avoid delays. If you're doing this in person, a bank representative can assist you with any queries. If you think you'll have a problem talking to a bank professional or filling out the application form because of the language barrier, I am happy to assist you in opening a bank account with one of the leading financial service providers in Germany. It's known for its global reach and serves clients in over 70 countries, making it a solid choice for expats and international businesses. If you open a bank account with us, you will get these following benefits. The bank account is free for the first 24 months as long as there's a minimum of €500 coming in the account. If not, the monthly fee is €4.49, which is the lowest bank fee in the market. In the future, if you're planning on taking a loan, you can get a faster loan approval and a more competitive interest rate. And as your financial advisor, you don't have to visit any branch. I will process all the paperwork for you for free. After getting all the necessary documents from you, all you need to do is to wait for the account to be opened, which may take an average of 1 week. If you're interested, send us a message at info@vestique.de. Step 5. Identity verification. For in-person application, your identity will be verified during your appointment. If you're applying online, this might involve a video identification process or visiting a post office for verification. Step 6. Receive account confirmation. Once your application is approved, the bank will provide you with your account details. Typically, you will receive a welcome package, including your debit card and online banking credentials via mail. Step 7. Set up online banking. Activate your online banking using the details provided. This step usually involves creating a password and setting up security questions or PINs for safety. Step 8. Make the initial deposit. Some banks require initial deposit to activate your account fully. You can usually do this online via a money transfer or by depositing cash at a bank branch. Additional things to consider. English language services. If you're not fluent in German, look for banks offering services in English to ease the process. Understanding fees. Be aware of any monthly account fees, transaction fees, or hidden charges. I once was paying €13 monthly as a bank fee for using my Girokonto for buying things online, until the bank lady told me I am using the wrong type of account. Mobile banking. Many banks now offer comprehensive mobile apps for easy banking on the go. Opening a bank account in Germany is a critical step in establishing your financial foundation in the country. By following these steps and preparing the necessary documents, you can ensure a hassle-free process. Remember, each bank has its specific requirements, so it's always a good idea to check with your chosen bank for any additional prerequisites. That's it for today's guide on opening a bank account in Germany. We hope you find this information helpful and that makes your transition in German financial system a bit smoother. Remember, having the right bank account can significantly impact your stability and convenience while living here. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, don't hesitate to reach to us. We are here to help you navigate every step of your financial journey in Germany. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on managing your finances as an expat in Germany. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it to anyone who might benefit from it. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen!